Hi, I'm Renee Oswald, and today I'm making a blueberry coffee cake that's really high nutrient, nutrient dense, but tastes delicious. And it's a one bowl recipe, so you don't need a food processor or Vitamix or dehydrator or anything else. You do bake this in the oven. That's the only thing you need is an oven. So to start off with, you just take your flaxseed, chia seed, and these have been ground. Put them in your bowl with your water and a little oil. We'll save some of that oil for later. Mix that together. Then you add some almond flour, some tapioca flour, little monk fruit. Instead of sugar, you're using monk fruit. Baking soda, baking powder, a little vanilla, just a teeny bit of salt, and you don't need to put the salt in if you don't want. And that's it. Stir that together. It thickens as it sits. So you might want to let it sit for just a minute. And then you just transfer that to your pie pan. You can do this in a pie pan or a cake pan. Spread it out. Then you sprinkle your blueberries on top. And you can use fresh blueberries or frozen. Doesn't matter. And then your next ingredients are your topping, which is some almond flour, hemp seeds, some monk fruit, and a little cinnamon. Mix that together. And just add about a tablespoon of water. It's going to be crumbly, like a crumb topping. That's what you're trying to go for. And then you just dollop that on top. That's it. Put it in the oven. Bake it at 375 for about 30 to 40 minutes. And you've got coffee cake. Put this in the oven at 375. Ooh, and there's the beautiful blueberry coffee cake. Doesn't that look delicious? And for more recipes like this one, check out our website and our social media channels, and be sure to subscribe to us on our YouTube channel.